It was once thought that the reign of the Empire would last as long as the eternal sun, but with the sudden passing of the great Emperor, order collapsed overnight. Unchecked, barbarian raiders brought destruction and chaos to the land. Crown Princess Josephine broke through the enemy's siege with the last remnants of her army, moments before the capital fell, and took refuge in the less populated Titan city. She aspired to reclaim the fabled Holy Sword, rally more men to drive back the barbarians, and restore the Empire's glory.
There are too few of us, Your Highness. Obtaining the Holy Sword is important, but not at the cost of your safety.
The barbarians have seized the Imperial capital. Now, the Holy Sword is our only hope.
I thought the Holy Sword was just a myth, Your Highness.
Titan City is just ahead. Let us hope we arrive before our enemies.
Watch out! Bodies are lying everywhere. Stay behind me. I fear this is where we part. My steel rose. Find the Holy Sword and save our Empire.
Carl, you are the last one to call me that. I swear that you will not die in vain. This house looks shabby, but good enough for a make-do camp.
Also, I just found some things that I think you will want to see for yourself.
Barbarians destroyed everything and killed these locals. Bloody, barbaric brutes. These are all innocent people.
Well, well, well. Will you look at that? A lovely highborn out in the wild. This will be very fun.
Bloody barbarian. I will make that your last word and sacrifice your head to the deceased!
Your Highness, we shall join you in battle.
Your Highness, to attack Erden, drag the icon on the right to him.
Your angry face is far more amusing than those crying villagers. Let me go! If you dare lay a finger on me, Attica the Bloody Hand will lead hundreds of warriors to pulverize you all. He's garrisoned in the town center just to the north. Do you crave death, fools?
I will not reduce myself to the likes of you, beast! Get out of here before I change my mind! Attica has plundered the place, and probably already took the Holy Sword. We have no choice but to fight him head-on. But our force is much too small.
Your Highness, we should build a swordsman's barracks to train more units. On the base of this broken building, we'll soon complete the construction.
Your Highness, we are ready to train more swordsmen.
Soldiers! I once wished to lead you away from war, but here we are, with the Empire torn and families broken. There is no place to hide. Soldiers, my brothers in arms, my family, for the Empire, and our home! Deputy, you lead the scout team. I command you to march ahead of us to gather information on the barbarians and their city defense.
At once, Your Highness!
All remaining soldiers, form up and fight with me! Reclaim the Holy Sword. Take down the barbarians, and revenge for all the perished!
I will take the damage from the arrow tower. Quick, girls! Defeat those barbarians! Soldiers! Take out your torches and burn the towers down!
The tower is down. Everyone, time to focus attack on the enemy.
The Empire's crown princess, Josephine the Steel Rose. I've heard your name. I had half my men plow through over half of your empire just for this cursed sword. Interesting. It's nothing compared to my own blade, yet it still draws a homeless rat to me.
Attica, I I will punish you for your crimes.
Come and take it if you dare, Josephine. Your head will be the crown jewel amongst my collections.
Interrupt Attica's skill with my commander skill. And beware of the flames on...
Oh, riveting! This is the kind of pain I've been after! Utterly worthless! It's your biggest failure to pin hopes on this piece of junk!
The Holy Sword will...
Josephine! You cannot stop what is to come! The future belongs to us, nomads!
The future will be forged by the living. Too bad you won't get to tell the tale.
Your Highness, the Holy Sword. It's rusty and worn.
Its power withered away throughout the ages. We must charge it up through battles and constructions, just as I must restore the Empire's glory. It's my duty. In the name of the Holy Sword, I shall use these spoils to rebuild the town and establish our new homeland.
Yes, Your Highness. We can use houses to train more villagers. We have gathered enough wood. Now it's time to build houses.
Je construirai selon vos ordres. J'y vais.
The completion of houses has won people's hearts. I can feel the ecstasy of Historica. It's awakening.
Congratulations, Your Highness. We can recruit more villagers with the house built. We can build a lumber camp to increase wood production.
Prêt à récolter. Je construirai selon vos ordres.
Your Highness, please upgrade the town center. It's time to take a new step forward.
The Holy Sword is enlightening me. The hope of resurrecting its glory resides within the boundless sea. Whatever trials lie in wait, we must depart forthwith. Intrepid battle and triumphant conquest. These are the very things Historica desires. Yeah, a crown without swords is a mere ornament. No more the Empire! The Holy Sword is awakening. Confiez-moi vos hommes, et vous serez couronnés de succès. Je me frayerai la voie par mon courage et ma détermination, comme je l'ai fait à Orléans face à l'envahisseur anglais. Ma mission est des plus essentielles, et je l'accomplirai au nom du Très-Haut. A crown without swords is a mere ornament. Yeah. Unissons nos forces! Messieurs, Dieu, premier service.
Our population...
Minor.
Make the villagers focus on farming to harvest more food.
Bucaron.
Prêt à récolter.
A crown without swords is a mere ornament. Unissons nos forces! For the Empire! Messieurs, Dieu, premier service. Crown for the Empire! The war is my everything. Should I stand, the Empire stands. Ma mission est des plus essentielles, et je l'accomplirai au nom du Très-Haut.
Blood of enemies and reverence of the people will both nourish the Holy Sword. Your Highness, the Holy Sword is almost awakened. Develop the town and win more support from our people. Your Highness, all your effort has paid off. Boosted by our people's support, the Holy Sword is shining anew. Historica, the unparalleled sword, born of the thunderous blaze and forged from the purest silver atop the highest peak. It's the symbol of kingship, the blade of glory. The passage of time once tarnished its might, yet now destined for rebirth in your hands.
The Holy Sword Historica shall return to this land. It's been waiting for me. I am certain of it.
With its power, the mightiest armies shall rally around you. You will be the Queen of Destiny!
Yeah, a crown.
Unissons, messieurs dieux. Premier servi.
Chopping some wood. Chopping some wood.
Villain.
To reap. Ready to reap.
Yeah, a crown without swords is a mere ornament.
Ma mission est des plus essentielles, et je l'accomplirai au nom du Très-Haut.